Thanks for stopping by. You might remember this project right here we did a while back. This is a 2008 Ford Escape. It's a hybrid, and we put a leveling kit on it. My name is Uncle Jake, by the way. This is our friend Jeff. This is his vehicle, and this is in response to some questions about doing a several-month follow-up, like what happens when you put the leveling kit on? Did you like it? Were there any issues? Turns out there were some issues. Some things needed to be fixed. But let's go to Jeff and talk about not only that, but a couple of other changes you made.
So we added the 2-inch leveling kit.
Oh, that's right, 2 inches.
2-inch leveling kit on the front. It allowed me to get the 275/45/16 tires on that I wanted. A much more aggressive tire.
Yeah, which is a good thing out here in the snow like this, huh?
It absolutely gave me the clearance that we wanted. But as soon as we finished, and I pulled out of the driveway and started down the road, had some noise in the front end that wasn't there.
Driving straight, or when you were turning? Or?
Most of when I started turning, and started back and forth. Like, yeah, that noise wasn't there before. So after doing a little bit of research, I determined it was sway bar linkage.
Sway bar linkage, which, you know, there's two things here. First, when you start hearing the clunk afterwards, there's a big question like, how bad is the problem? What happened? And then the next question is, how tough was it to fix and how much did it cost?
Yeah. Well, the sway bar linkage, it has these bushings on both top and bottom, and those sway bar linkage had to come out to get the leveling kit on. So,
oh, that's right.
When we put the old sway bar linkage back in, those bushings had deteriorated a little bit, dried up, and that's all it was.
Oh wow.
So
just maybe they have a different wear point too, and kind of just move those boots around. Yeah. I suppose that makes sense. You've got rubber bushings on there that are kind of flexing in a certain range the whole time, and now you put that leveling kit on, it moves it a lot.
Just moved it a little bit.
So where are those babies at?
I don't know if we're gonna be able to see them in here.
No, maybe not. Let's see. Oh yeah, right there. You can see them. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so that's them. Now.
So I found them. I found a set on eBay. I believe it was $34 for the set. It came really quick.
We'll throw a link up so you guys have it if you need it. Oh, and I guess you don't have to answer it yet, but after we talk about how hard it was and the cost, maybe we should talk about whether that should be done when you leveling kit or later.
I would do it while doing the leveling kit, because you have the tires off, you have the jack underneath the A-arm. It would be a perfect time to do it. Okay, so how much were those puppies? They're about $34 for the set. So very minimal cost.
That's for the set too.
That's for the set.
That's not bad. Okay. Yeah. So while you got everything apart, you'd probably just swap those out.
Yeah.
And how hard was it?
About a half an hour.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You need 2 jacks. You need one underneath the A-arm to take some of the pressure off, and one to lift the vehicle up.
Now, if you already had it up and you're already changing it...
Well, you had to take them out anyway.
Oh, so these were already off. Oh, okay.
So just put the new ones back in.
So it's almost like it wouldn't add anything to the time the vehicle, which we'll link this video at the end as well. We kind of timed it, and when you did it was like what? We spent about an hour?
I think we were just under an hour. So,
if you got to take those out and it's only an extra, how much did you say it was? Did you say 30 bucks or 60 bucks?
Yeah, $34.
That's totally the time to do it.
Yeah.
I love it. And so, besides that, any other problems? And then what was your impressions of this? Because, I mean, it definitely changed the look of the vehicle. I really like the way that looks.
I absolutely love it. People ask me all the time, what'd you do with it? The rake is gone.
That's cool.
Having the 275s on there was...
Yeah, right. So...
a big addition.
What is that? What was it? The inch over stock height in the tires too, or total 3/4 maybe?
Oh, I think even more than that.
Wow. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So you got a noticeable amount of clearance then.
Yeah. Not that this is a an extreme off-road vehicle, but
no. But I mean, where we live here, it's like, look at this piles of snow and things. It's
been fun. These tires are doing great in the snow. I'm up on the mountain every weekend, and it's been doing great.
That's cool, man.
Yeah.
So there you have it. That's the update on after driving this several months. And you know, that's one of those things that we like to put out because had we known at the beginning, that would have been an easy thing. Obviously, it would have literally been zero extra work.
Right.
Because you just take off one and put another back on. What's the difference whether you put the old one or new one back on? And save yourself some trouble. So there you go. There's your tip. Thanks so much for joining us out here in the great white, the great outdoors. I don't even know what to call this, but these flakes are big. Check out the other video if you want to see the install. We love you very much. We're going to take you out with the Pat and Penny fist bump of friendship. Whoop-pow. Whoa, it's a drone. It's a drone, Jeff, with spinals.
That's not yours?
That is not mine. Oh, now you won't let me in. Oh, you. Oh my gosh.
Should we want to stay out and should we try some?
I think we have a question challenge. You think we could do a donut in an all-wheel drive in the snow? I'm gonna find out. We're gonna walk over here. This is an important thing to know about. This is how you learn how to drive in the snow and what your vehicle's capable of doing. Let's see when he goes around. Oh yeah, okay, here we go. You can see more of the pile of snow. Oh, it's too good. It's too good. That was a little bit, all right, I love it. Wait a minute. Where's she going? Oh, no. Hey,